In today's video, we're going to make a magic ring. If this is your first time making a magic ring, I'll show you how. So first, grab your yarn and your hook. So make it like this. Hold your yarn the way how comfortable you are. So I will insert my hook under the yarn, twist it 180 degree, putting a space inside, and then I will hold the yarn here in this middle here, in this knot, giving a space, and then yarn over and pull, so just like that. And then here we have enough space. So this is already my magic ring that you can able to pull this one to tighten up once you're done working with the magic ring. As you can see, you can pull up and pull to adjust to tighten up later. And now we're gonna work in that magic ring. Chain 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna work in this magic ring and make a double crochet, just to show you in the end that it is also working this one. Insert your hook there in that circle. So as you can see, we are working here in this circle here, and pull, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So shall we say we're gonna make 12 of that to see that it is working in the end. So this is double crochet. I will work 12 double crochet in that magic ring, making sure this one stick out because we're gonna pull this later. So I'll put it away. And now go to the third chain to close that stitch, or to close that round. What I want to show you, we have here an opening, and then we wanted to close that. So here we're gonna pull this, and this is how it works. It's gonna close. Show you closer. That one. That is the rule of magic ring, to close the circle or the hole in the middle. And then we are just going to secure this stitch here, make it in a half, then it is easier. And just make a knot, grab that one in the other side, then it is easier to work. And this one now is very secure. So that's it. And cut the rest of that yarn. And there you go. This is our magic ring work, and it looks good. It closes the hole here in the middle. Easier, simple, and that's it for this video. See ya, bye.